Okay, so our task today is we need to factor this trinomial of 2x squared minus x minus 21. So I know that my goal is to get this down as the two trinomials multiplied together. I'm going to use the AC method. And so as I do my A times C, I get 2 from A times negative 21 from C, giving us a negative 42. Now I want to factor this negative 42 into two factors that when they combine, they get this B term that's negative 1. So as I consider the factors of negative 42, I realize that that's going to be negative 7 times 6. That'll give me a negative 42, but when I do negative 7 plus 6, I'll get that negative 1 as my B term. So my goal is I come back to my trinomial here and I split apart my B term. I'm going to keep my 2x squared, and then I'm going to think about which one should I put with 2. I'm going to choose to put the positive 6x. That means I have to have a negative 7x here, minus the 21, which we'll keep. So this gives me that combination to negative x in the middle. Now that I have 4 terms, I can factor that using the method of factoring by grouping. If I consider these two first terms, my GCF is 2x, so I factor that to the front, and that leaves me with an x plus 3 as my binomial. I need to factor out a negative because of this minus here, and then I realize there's a 7 in common. So I'll factor out a negative 7, which leaves as my binomial an x plus 3. Be careful of that factoring and that negative there. Now I have a common binomial of x plus 3, so I'll factor that out. And my remaining binomial is the terms that are left from this term and this term, so that's 2x minus 7. And we factored our trinomial.